So it's Christmas night. How crazy is that? I got this cool hat. But I got to open my presents last night. Because I'm hardcore like that. And I spent my whole day doing absolutely nothing. I didn't even talk. I watched these movies all day. So I don't know why my voice is being lost. And I got some cool fuzzy pants. They were pretty awesome. And a really big thing that I can put all my presents and stuff in. And this hat even goes like this. Pretty hardcore. I know it is. I'm watching Michael Myers right now because I'm badass. And I watched all my other good movies the other night. My mom got me like 3 monsters stuff. Wrong side. And some beasties. I was up all night last night. She got me some popcorn and stuff. And this amazing chocolate. So good. It's like I was really bored, so I felt like making a YouTube video. What did you guys do for Christmas? Maybe funner than mine. My family wasn't even here. I was alone. And my bird knows I'm talking about her. Her name's Mojo Jojo. And she walks around in her cage, but she has wings. I don't understand her. Got a new cat today. I don't even know if it's a man or a girl, but she is fat. Really fat. And my bird thinks I'm talking about her. She's fat too. What else is there? Oh, I got this really creepy doll. Yeah. From my 5-year-old niece. I told her if it haunts me, then I'm gonna kill her. She came in my room the other day, and she asked me if the clown had haunted me yet. I told her yes. Having pretty bad dreams. Excuse me. Someone's dying. I swear, if they would listen to me in these movies, I'd still be alive. Promise you. I'd be like, don't go in there. Don't go in there. And what she do, she goes in there. I just don't understand her. And I have this cute panda. Because, as you can see, I'm a panda. In love with the pandas. There's panda stickers on the back of my phone. And my screensaver is panda. Be jealous. I got some creepy dolls. I can't explain them. They're just creepy. Really creepy. I got this cool notebook. It's all the way over there. So I'm not gonna get it. I got some books because I like to read. And I got a Hunter Hayes CD. Wait, I think I have the something somewhere, but not near me. Did you know they made pink phone chargers? I didn't know that. It's pretty fat, but I wanted it. It was pink or red, or white or black, but white and blacker. So original. And this is not... Someone told me, Mary kissed my ass. And I was like, oh, you're so funny, man. So freaking funny. Just kidding. I didn't laugh. I thought it was not cool. My grandpa gave me this magazine. Who's gay? Jessica Timberlake's gay. Sandra Bullock loves kissing girls. Yeah. Rihanna goes girl crazy. And Jessica Simpson's dad is gay. The things you get, or the information you get from the National Enquirer.